Let's take a look at planting now. If we go over to Landscape and we click on the Plant tool, we'll be presented with a menu of trees, shrubs, perennials, cactus, annuals, water garden plants, and we can save them as favorites. There are also models, and then there are picture versions. Now the picture versions are actual real plants, and what is ideal about these is that if you're doing a lot of photo type printouts, these are better because they just give you a more realistic look. If you are doing a lot of video fly-throughs, the models will work better. I'm going to use the models for now, and we're going to put in some northern red oak here. And again, by holding down the control key, we can put multiple trees in on our drawing. And we may also want to work in the plan view initially, just so that we can get a little more speed and accuracy in placement. I'll get some arborvitaes in here, and we'll do a multiple planting here by using the control key, and we can put down quite a few of these. And again, we can look in perspective. And right away we've got our drawing in there. Now if we want to make a planting bed here, we would go to our region area, and we would simply draw in an area and fill it with the mulch. We'll go to plan view, and we'll actually draw something in here. We'll go from here and then we'll convert to straight. We can finesse this later, but if we do that, we've got the area now filled with mulch. We're ready to put in any other plant material again. So let's pick another arborvitae here, and we'll just get them placed in, and we'll put another one in here. Then we'll open up our plant menu again, and we'll get over to the flowering shrubs. We'll put in some azaleas for some color, and we can copy and paste that, put some smaller ones in, and we can continue to place them wherever we want to. I'll put one in over alongside of here.